the President. An assault by Royal Marines in helicopters was a dramatic item in exercise Run Aground, a 4-day demonstration near Portsmouth designed to show Staff College students modern methods used in amphibious operations. Mounting an attack on a beach, even at battalion strength, involves a great variety of equipment. New types of landing vessels were brought into action. Armour has to be landed, and if a lodgment in strength is to be obtained before the enemy counterattack, speed is essential. The waterproofing of vehicles was another important aspect of the demonstration. On flat beaches, they might have a long wade through fairly deep water. But the success of the operation still depends on the caliber of the men themselves. In this respect, the Royal Marines are second to none. A championship race